back and better than ever. Quality is a little better. That's because I got a new camera. I want you guys to enjoy my content and just, you know, get the best quality videos. So if you're new, welcome. My name is Amanda. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Also turn your post notifications on to get notified every time I upload a new video. And yeah, join the family. If you've seen my previous videos on how well my boyfriend knows me, you did see that I had a wig on, and that wig, as I mentioned in the video, I literally just threw it on. So today I'm gonna try to install my very first synthetic lace front wig. Okay, we're about to put on a wig. Excuse my hair. I think I purchased the right stuff this time, and I'm gonna do it like the correct way. So we're gonna see how it comes out. This is my first time, so bear with me. I'm learning. I'm gonna show you guys what I purchased from the beauty supply store yesterday. As you can see, I have a couple things in here. The first thing I'm gonna show you guys is these two caps that I purchased. These were the closest to my skin tone. This one more, but I just got this just in case this one breaks on me. Even though there's two, it's better to have more than to have too little. So this is the one I bought that I'm gonna try to use first, and then this one I got just in case. Then I purchased the Got2b Glued Blasting Freeze Spray. Then I purchased this LA Girl Pro High Definition Matte Powder, and this is just in case I needed to matten out the stocking cap. Then I purchased this glue that the lady in the beauty supply store recommended, and she gave me. So kind of scared because it says Crazy Hold Tube Super Lace Glue for lace wigs. And then I purchased the wig that I have here. So this wig is actually this wig is really blonde, and I don't know how it's gonna come out, but we're gonna hope for the best. We're gonna hope for the best. So this is the wig, guys. The only thing that sucks about synthetic wigs is that they really shed a lot, and I just hate that so much. So I let my hair loose, and it's pretty bad right now. It's very tangled, so I'm just gonna go with the comb and brush out my hair. Guys, this is my first time, but I'm like so excited, honestly. Okay, so we're just gonna brush our hair till the knots are all out. Ooh, I'm so sorry for that noise. Jesus Christ. Okay. My hair is pretty much combed out completely. What I'm gonna do now is take some bobby pins, and I'm going to kind of do a doobie on my hair. I'm gonna try to make it as flat as possible, and I'm just gonna pin it. That way, when you put the wig on, it looks pretty natural. You don't want to have a bumpy head. So I'm just gonna take this. Let me put it to one side, and we're gonna start pinning. Now it's okay if your hair gets loose. You just pick up all the hair and just wrap it again. It's literally no biggie. So I'm gonna repeat this, and once we're done, I'm going to show you guys. You see this hair comes out. It's okay because I'm gonna wrap it back up again. So I'll see you when I'm done pinning up my hair. Stockings that you put on your legs. So you gotta be very gentle and careful with this. So I'm going to apply. guys, I'm so excited. You don't understand. Okay, once we have the cap on and we've pushed all our hair back, I'm gonna push the cap as forward as possible. Just not on the eyelashes though, and the eyebrows. Okay, you're gonna want to make the littlest hole here to put your ear through. Okay, so you want to try to avoid putting your hair where you're gonna put the freeze at. So that's what I just did. Try to like push my hair in a little bit. Oh, you see that one is a little bit more broken. So you see how the stocking just like ripped like that. That's what sucks about this, but it's okay because we're gonna make it work. Oh, guys, I'm so sorry, I'm hot. So now that you have that, what you're gonna want to do is push your hair back, push all your hair back, and we are going to start spraying. It literally just smells, oh my god, I'm so sorry, I look like this. It just smells like hairspray. It's not really that bad. So we're gonna have to fix our makeup after. But like I said, it's okay. So what you want to do is let this dry. Unfortunately, I don't have a blow dryer. So what I'm gonna do is just stand in front of the AC for a couple minutes, and then I'll come back to you guys when it's all dried up. It's pretty much dry. You're going to just cut. Okay guys, so I don't know if you guys saw, but I cut a little line through the middle of the stocking cap, and I'm going to take this little razor that I got for like $1 in the beauty supply store or anywhere really you can get it in Family Dollar, and I'm just going to cut off the edges of the stocking cap. And the reason why I'm using this is because instead of using the scissors gives it more of a sharp effect, and I really don't want that. I want it to look more natural, so I'm gonna take this, and it has ridges, so I'm gonna use that instead. So just gonna keep going. Okay. So as you guys can see, I kind of did it too much, so I'm gonna try to push that up a little bit and then spray. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's the first time we're doing this. Ooh, it is messy. Alright, so let me push this hair back. Okay, so now that we look like a naked mole rat, we're going to then proceed.
Oh, no.
It's my first time. First time for everything. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't believe this. How do y'all bitches make it look so easy? I'm confused. Oh. Disrespectful. Oh my god. Honestly speaking, I don't even think I want to put the glue on, to be honest. Alright, so now we're going to take our glue. Oh! Oh my, it's not for me, bruh. This shit not for me. It's burning. Why the hell is it burning? Okay, I'm just putting it on my forehead because I am not trying to damage my hair. Why is it burning? It's burning my head. Oh Lord. Guys, help me. Why is it burning? It's burning, bro. Tell me if I'm wrong. Why is this burning? Bear with me. This is my first time doing this, okay? The blue is bad. Alright. Oh, it would be nice if I take the tag off, right? Before I do anything. Okay. So let's take a clip. And clip this back while we cut this lace. Oh my god, you can see my natural hair, whatever. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm kind of nervous, I'm not even gonna lie. All right. I'm sorry guys, I don't know how to do this. Look at this. Oh, oh. Guys, this is horrible. Please, somebody teach me. I'm cutting from here. Nope. Lord child, this bad. This bad. Real bad. Okay, I'm just gonna push it down so that you don't see my hair. Okay. I wanted it to look cute. Guys, I don't know how to do this. Oh my god. Okay. As you can see, that took away the natural look. Hey, oh my god. Alright guys, well, this was a complete fail. Let's see if this helps. I'm gonna see if this helps. Oh god, my hair all over. We'll make it work, all right? I don't give up. I do not give up. Oh god, I should give up right here. This should look cray. All right. Honestly, this is the only way that this wig is going to look kind of decent. Guys, this was a complete fail. Fail, I tell you. Oh, I'm so disappointed. As you guys can see, I do not know how to put a wig on, and I probably will never learn because this is so hard. What I am gonna do is fix my makeup. What I'm doing is I'm just fixing up my makeup. Guys, I don't know how to put a wig on, but we are not gonna stop here. We're gonna make this look cute. Okay. Yo, honestly guys, shout out to whoever does wigs. Like, y'all the real MVP, because your girl over here. Alright, we gotta make it work like that. Ah! It look low-key cute. This is definitely a challenge for me. I do plan to get better at it, but this was horrible. Yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me struggle. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.